Planning a snowy mountains trip? Don't make the mistake of spending your entire holiday just playing in the snow. What if I told you that you could experience breathtaking mountain views, ride Australia's highest gondola, race down the Alpine coaster, relax in a heated pool, explore Canberra's top attractions, and still have the best snow experience? Let me show you the ultimate snowy mountains itinerary that made every minute worth it. One more item checked off our bucket list, our snowy mountains adventure. A weekend alone wasn't enough, so we all agreed to leave early on Friday morning to maximize our holiday. We packed everything on Thursday night and even brought our vehicle to the meeting point to make the trip even more memorable. My friends surprised me because it was also my birthday. Our first stop was Goulburn, where we grabbed a coffee and took photos with the famous Big Merino. Before heading into the snow, we bought waterproof jackets, pants, and boots to stay warm. By 1:30 p.m., we arrived at the Alpine Hotel in Kuma. After a quick lunch, we rented snow chains. Remember, these are legally required for all non-four-wheel drive vehicles entering the snowy mountains. Since Perisher was nearby, we squeezed in a quick visit before ending the day with a delicious dinner at Maya Asian Cuisine. Saturday was the highlight of the trip as we finally arrived in Thredbo. We secured our tickets, explored the village, experienced the thrilling Alpine coaster, rode the Merritt's gondola to the top of the mountain, and spent hours enjoying the snow and capturing unforgettable photos. We wrap up the day at the Thredbo Leisure Center, where we enjoyed the heated pool, wall climbing, basketball, badminton, pickleball, table tennis, soccer, trampoline, and gym. On Sunday, we explored Canberra, visiting the beautiful Australian National Botanic Gardens, the National Arboretum, Lake Burley Griffin, Parliament House, and the National Museum. We also celebrated my wife's birthday with an amazing lunch at Lolo and Lola Filipino Eatery before heading home. It was the perfect long weekend filled with snow, adventure, sightseeing, and unforgettable memories. If you're planning your own snowy mountains holiday, send me a message and I'll happily share the exact itinerary we followed.